Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a free website for dog business. There are quite a few platforms that you could use to create a free website for your dog business. Let's say, for example, you want to create a website for a dog walking business. One of the platforms that you could use is Google Sites. This will allow us to create a website using Google. You don't have to pay $1 for hosting or domain name or anything like that. But the pullback with this platform is to add, for example, booking, which more than likely persons will need to do that for your services, and any other form of feature. You would need to get some form of external plugin or app that you'll add to your website. It is not beginner friendly, so I would not recommend it if you're just getting started. Instead, the platform that I recommend you use is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix is it is beginner friendly, it has numerous features, and you can also use it for completely free. All you need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then on the search bar, you can quickly type in, for example sake, I could type in dog walker. You can see dog trainer, dog sitter, dog breeder, dog blogger. You can see there are numerous sub niches that you can go in. Let's say, for example, I were to select dog walker, then tap on continue. After doing that, you can see it is now preparing our dashboard. Once our dashboard is up and running, we'll be able to choose the name of our website, and we'll also be able to add our services. So you can tap here and you could enter the name of your business. So for example, let's say I want to call it Dog Walker. Then you could add your business address, then tap on continue. After doing that, you'll be able to set up your working hours. So let's say Monday to Friday, and we'll be open from 10:30 to 5:30 p.m. So we're going to do that right there. Then tap on continue. And here are some sample services that Wix recommend. If you see any service that you would like to offer, all you need to do is simply tick the service. So you can tick the box right there. Now, after doing that, if you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can simply tap on Create New Service, and you could enter in the service name. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner. From here, you can add staff member's name and email address, then tap on Continue. Now, after doing that, would you like to accept payments online? You can select that. Will you be accepting payments in person? You can select that. If it is a case that you would like to, for example, sell digital or physical products, you can select this. So let's say, for example, you also sell dog leashes and, like, for example, the ball and so on the side, you can select that. Or if you sell digital products, for example, let's say you have created a course or an ebook that you recommend to new dog owners, you can tap on this. Then you'll tap on continue. Then you'll tap on continue once more. After it has loaded up, you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. And this is how the Wix dashboard looks. The first thing I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over catalog, and you're going to select booking services. From here, you'll be able to edit the booking services that you have added. If you haven't added any booking services as yet, you can tap on Add a New Service in the top right hand corner. To edit the services that you have added already, you can hover over them and tap on Edit. Once you have done that, all you need to do now, you can change the name, you can change the cover image, you can add a description if you want, you can change the duration, add a buffer time, and let's say, for example, initial in-house consultation, I will be offering it for free. I can tap on price type, then select free, then I'm going to tap on save. After doing that, you can continue editing the other services. So let's say dog meet and greet. We're going to tap on that, edit. Then from there, you can change the name again, the cover image, and so on. And we're going to be offering this So we'll tap on custom price and we're going to set a fixed price right here, and we'll be offering this for $10 for example. Then tap on save and you can continue editing each service. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, hover over sales. From here you'll be able to view all your sales in the future. You can also create a gift card. Now if we were to hover over booking calendar, from here you can tap on it and you'll be able to see your booking calendar when you have been booked and so on. And if we were to tap on getting paid, you can tap on connect payment method, and from here, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. So for example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I can offer TiloPay, PayPal. So all you need to do is tap on connect to set it up. And to see more payment options, you can tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. And again, depending on the country you're located in, you will see more payment options. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Then select customize a template. After you have done that, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. All you need to do is select a template of your liking. For example, this one, we'll tap on edit. After you have selected edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while the website loads up. Once it loads up, all you'll need to do next, you could enter in some information in the pop-up box that you would like to be added to your website, and you could use the Wix editor to create content for your website. If you don't want to do that, you can simply close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can see how our website looks. Now to edit it, for example, if you like to edit the header section, you can simply tap on the header section, tap on quick edit, then from there you could tap on manage menu and you could make changes. If you would like to change, for example, this section, let's say this image, you can quickly tap on quick edit. Then from there you could change the column background by tapping on change. You can also change the other column background. You can also edit the title and so on, as you can see right there. And if you would like to edit the about section, you can quickly edit that also. It is as easy as that to edit each section on your website. And you can see that already the layout looks very professional. So you can simply fill in the blank sections right here real quick with your information, and that's it. Now, what I also want you to know is by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner, you will be able to add various elements. So if it is a case that you like to add an image or anything at all, you will find it in this section. And to also view all the pages on your website, you will tap on home in the top left hand corner. From here you could tap on book online and you will be able to view the booking or the services page. So you can see it right there, and you can also edit this section if you want. And again, if it was a case that you're planning to, for example, sell digital products or so on, all you'll need to do is we could tap right here, book online. No, it is not added as yet. So what you're going to do, you're going to tap on add apps, which would be the four dots from the left hand menu option. After tapping on the four dots, you're going to see a pop-up window appear. Once that pop-up window appears, all you'll need to do is tap on sell online. After you have tapped on sell online, you will see this option appear. Then what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on stores. After tapping on stores, all you'll need to do, you will see Wix stores. You're going to tap on that. After tapping on Wix stores, you're going to simply tap on add to site. And by tapping on add to site, from there you'll be able to sell digital or physical products. You'll also be able to do drop shipping or so on if you want. As you can see right here, we could select drop shipping right away and you'll be able to select drop shipping. You can also do print on demand, which would be a good idea for a pet website. So for example, you could upload designs from Canva or so on, and you'll be able to sell it to dog owners or dog lovers. This would definitely be a good option to make some good passive income on the side also. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.